She said the killer smiled, then pulled the trigger. One shot in a Chicago alley. A wealthy man dead in his own driveway. And the suspect? A headline the press couldn't resist. I'm Chris, and this is Hidden Lens History, bringing the past back into focus. 1923, Chicago, Illinois. Richard C. Tesmer, a wealthy realtor, and his wife Anna returned home late. Their car rolled into the alley behind Winthrop Avenue. Two figures stepped from the shadows, a man and a woman. Anna screamed. A struggle, then a shot. Tesmer collapsed in his own driveway. He was gone. Anna swore she saw the woman smile before she pulled the trigger. A smile, she thought, that she'd never forget. In the days that followed, Anna identified a carousel of suspects. A hairdresser, a manicurist, a levee thug from the north side. Each one paraded before her, each one cleared by an alibi. The city grew restless. The press grew skeptical. Was her memory sharp, or was grief leading her astray? Then, the police announced an arrest. Not a gangster, not a bootlegger, but Fred G. Thompson. Known to some as Fred, known to others as Francis. Thompson had lived for years between identities, sometimes a man, and sometimes a woman. And the widow? She pointed again. That was the smile she remembered. As reporters dug into Thompson's past, the story only grew stranger. Back in 1909, Thompson, then living as Francis, married Frank Carrick, a man who swore he believed Thompson was a woman. They lived together as husband and wife for years. And then, in 1921, Thompson married again, this time to Marie Clark, who believed she was marrying a man. To her, Fred was simply Fred. So by 1923, Thompson had a husband and a wife. It was too good for the tabloids to resist. A murder suspect with both a husband and a wife? They branded Thompson the he-flapper and man-wife. October 1923. The trial begins. Reporters pack the courthouse shoulder to shoulder, waiting for the next twist. The state's case? Hanging by a thread. No fingerprints, no stolen ring, no physical evidence. Only Anna Tesmer swearing that Fred Thompson was the smiling woman who pulled the trigger. When Thompson took the stand, the press could hardly look away. They wore what reporters called half-and-half attire. Roomy trousers like a man, but silk stockings and dainty shoes like a woman. No doubt a performance, as much as a defense strategy. And then, one of the strangest rulings in American courtrooms. Judge John Caverly barred Frank Carrick, Thompson's husband of 13 years, from testifying. By law, no husband could defend his wife in a murder trial, and Caverly ruled that's exactly what Carrick was. Doctors were called, X-rays ordered, experts lined up to prove the suspect's sex. Reporters said it was a decision without parallel. After days of testimony, the jury returned. October 3rd, 1923. Not guilty. The courtroom erupted. Chicago gasped. Anna Tesmer wept as Thompson, the man-wife, walked free. Ultimately, the Tesmer case was never solved. Was Anna's memory to blame? Or did the spectacle of Fred's gender identity get in the way of finding the real killer, or at least true justice? Either way, Richard Tesmer was murdered in his own driveway, and the killer got away with it. Whoever they were. Thanks for watching and listening to Hidden Lens History. Like this story? Subscribe for more, and reach out with your own headline, photo, or story you'd like to see restored.